Let's take a look at the opening rates then. Coming in on your screen right now and just getting a sense. I think my rates are taking a minute. Aisha, just running through the open there.
Yeah, just looking at what aviation names may be up to in anticipation of when we can fly again. You've got Motilal Oswal, which has come out with their note on some of the airline companies saying that airspace management norms will be positive for aviation companies. And they're saying, according to their EPS sensitivity report, as well as aircraft fuel savings of even 5% would translate into an EPS change of over 20% for Interglobe Aviation. So they have been a long bull on Interglobe Aviation, and they continue to be so. Reliance Industries, of course, is the other one after that big deal in focus, though it started off pretty flattish. Cipla holding up by about 1%. There's Bharti, Infratel as well. Again, news out in the papers, Vodafone and Bharti both in focus right now. Bharti Infratel as well as Indus Tower merger may soon be completed. That is what the papers are reporting this morning, so look out for this stock. Also, greed and fear will reinstate Maruti Suzuki into its Asia ex-Japan long-only portfolio. This will be paid for by removing the investment in Kotak Bank. So both these stocks are going to be important to look out for. That's Maruti as well as Kotak Bank. This is Chris Food's latest note coming in on greed and fear on the changes in both Maruti as well as Kotak Bank. I also want to check in on what's happening to PVR. Especially after a second big movie chose to opt for the OTT platform. You saw some vicious selling on PVR in Friday's session. The stock fell as hard as 8.5%, saw a bit of recovery, still lost about 4.5%. That stock will just come up for you on your screens next. And M&M as well saw quite a bit of heavy selling of about 5% in Friday's session. So let's just revisit that name as well. I want to see whether the excitement and some of the PSU names continues or not. What with the move coming in a BHEL for the last fortnight, or for that matter a BEL in Friday's session, those names should definitely be revisited. And then AU Small Finance Bank, that's in focus. You've got Bharti SBM Holdings, which has acquired a 0.79% stake. The promoter, of course, has been the seller, so look out for this one as well. Berger Paints, which has started business in the area of products relating to hand sanitizers. This is second in line, remember, to Asian Paints because they as well chose to diversify into the hand sanitizer segment, and now Berger Paints as well seems to be following suit. Multi-purpose sanitizers and home hygiene chemical products is what Berger as well is now diversifying into. Reliance Industries starts off pretty quiet. General Atlantic to invest that 65.98 crore rupee in Geo Platforms for a 1.34% stake, but no excitement coming in on Reliance Industries. Or for that matter, even the rest of the market. We've had the flattest starts, and now we're drifting into the red, lower by 63 points. We've given up the 90-100 mark, and the breadth as well is starkly negative. Naukri, Coal India, M&M Finance, Equitas and IndiGo Nikunj are your biggest losers this morning.